Mimi.
Hi, I'm Damaris Sar.
And today we're making a video for the kickoff for the Adult Art Club / Adult Summer Reading Program.
The theme is Tales and Tells.
Today we're going to make a mermaid tale into a bookmark. Your kit will include the mermaid tale itself, some book pages for you to glue on, some homemade Mod Podge, and a couple of ribbons and strings if you want to make your bookmark fancy. If you want to just hang on to it for another project, that's cool too. So, let's begin. I like the ripped look to my little squares that I'm going to glue on, so I like to just take the pages and rip them. But if you want, you can use scissors and make them into different shapes or however you want to do it. So, the first thing is to make little squares that you're going to glue on.
I will be also doing the rip look, but I will be doing it strips instead.
Okay, so once you have them into reasonable sizes, you can start out with the glue.
So I'm going to go for a little different. I am going to do a hole in mine, as you can see. And I am going to add some of this ribbon because I really like the color and I feel like it gives it a little oomph. It looks like she's jumping into the water. So you're going to wait for it to dry and then just put the ribbon.
I'm just going to keep mine plain like this, but if you want, you could also take some of the strings and decorate it along and the ribbon. And once it's fully dried, then you have yourself a bookmark and you can put it in the book just like that to hold your page. Remember, make sure it's fully dry before putting it in the book.
Yes.
Okay, have fun. This was Mimi
and Damaris R.
from the Trenton Free Public Library. Bye!
Bye!
And we're making a video today for the kickoff for the Adult Art Club / Adult Summer Reading Program.
The theme is
the kickoff for the Adult Art Club Summer Reading Program. I want it to sound like one big club.
The theme is Tales to Tales.
And